Hi everybody, Wilton over here. One thing I want to bring up to your attention is we are seeing in the last 6 months there are more and more concerns with cybersecurity. Seeing more and more of even our clients, either their Google ad account got hacked, their Gmail got hacked, their work email got hacked, they reached out to us, their website got hacked, their Facebook account got hacked, their Facebook ad account got hacked. I'm like, whoa, this is getting scary. And to the point, like all of us thought Facebook and Google, they're on top of this, right? We're trusting Google and Facebook should be protecting our account. Yes, they are. However, the hackers are good. They're still able to penetrate. And so what do? There's actually very, very simple thing that you can do to protect your assets, protect your account, so that way it's a little bit harder to penetrate, to the point that Google is starting to enforce it as well. And that is two-step authentication, or two-step two-factor authentication, right? So, or some of these call it multi-step or multi-step authentication, but it's the same. But what's coming down to is you want to tie your cell phone and your personal email to it. That way, whenever somebody try to sign in into your Gmail account, your Facebook account, your Google account, even us when we're marketing, we're using Microsoft Office, right? So all these is once somebody signs in, then it will send you a text to your cell phone with a PIN number. So in order for somebody, even if somebody was able to penetrate, they were able to figure out your password. Still, it's hard for them to get in because a text will be sent to your cell phone. Then you have to enter that in order to get into your account, right? And I do this across the board, down to bank account, work email, mortgage companies, like bank account, credit card, everything. I turn on the two-step verification. Highly, highly suggest you to take an afternoon to turn on two-step verification across the board. So I would definitely say minimally your work assets, right? So if you're using Microsoft products, you can easily turn on two-step verification for yourself and for all of your employees. They got to turn on two-step verification. And any digital, right? Your Facebook, personal Facebook, work Facebook page, right? All those you got to turn on, and definitely your own personal bank account, credit card statements. Definitely make sure all those are enabled. Highly suggest you do that, so that way you're not worrying that your account might be hacked, right? So please spend the afternoon, turn on two-step verification. If you don't know how to do it, just Google it. Right? Google two-step verification Gmail, two-step verification Facebook. It will guide you how to enable it. And it's not just yourself. Please make sure your employees, your colleagues also have it turned on. If not, same thing, they're able to penetrate through them to get to you. So this should be a site-wide, should be company-wide thing that you should focus on. And I would definitely highly suggest you get it done ASAP. If any questions, let me know.